video, you will learn to build a story generator using Python, Gradio, and Hugging Face. So let's begin. First, log on to huggingface.co and create an account. Then click on Spaces, create a new space and give it a name. I'm naming it Story Generator. Select Gradio as the SDK space. Choose whether you want to keep your space public or private. I'm keeping it private for now. Then click on Create Space. You will be taken to this page. Now let's create the requirements.txt file. For that, click on Files, Add File and Create New File. For this project, you will need Gradio, Transformers and TensorFlow. Once you're done typing, click on Commit New File to main. Next, click on the Apps section and scroll down to find the link to create the app file right in your browser. Click on Create. Here comes the coding part. First, we import the necessary libraries. We import Gradio for building the interfaces and the Transformers library for accessing pre-trained models. Specifically, we will be using the GPT-2 model for text generation. Next, we load the text generation model using Hugging Face's pipeline function. The pipeline function simplifies model usage. We specify text generation as the task and GPT-2 as the model, and this sets up our text generation capabilities. Now let's define the function responsible for generating our stories. The generate story function takes a prompt and a word count as input. It then calculates the maximum length based on the word count and generates a story using the GPT-2 model considering the user's prompt and the desired word count. We have a set of predefined examples to showcase our story generator. These examples include a prompt and a word count to demonstrate the capabilities of our story generator. Now let's create the Gradio interface, making it user-friendly. We define the interface with a text box for the prompt, a slider for the word count, and set the output as text. The title, description, and examples make the interface more informative and user-friendly. Lastly, we launch the interface for users to interact with. Once you're done, check the code. When you're good to go, scroll and click on Commit New File to main. You will notice that your app has started building. Click on the Apps section to see the process. This may take a while. A little later, you will notice the status changed to running. Your app is ready, and this is how it looks. You will have a text box to enter the prompt, and you can select the word count using the slider. You can either enter a prompt or select one from the examples here. You will get the output within seconds. That's how you can create a simple story generator using Python. Feel free to make it better by optimizing the code or by using some other pre-trained model or by adding more features. Hope you found this video interesting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DT's Learning Insights for more such videos. Stay tuned. Until then, it's me, Tanvita, signing off.